So what I have done is I took my pan, I went ahead and put the parchment paper on there. I've put some of my pretzels and some of my Hershey's Hugs already on there, just for time-wise. So the biggest step is probably unwrapping the Hershey's Hugs. You obviously want to wash your hands first. I already did. And you unwrap them, and then you're just going to go ahead and take a Hershey's Hug and put it in the middle of each little pretzel. When you get the pretzels, you do not want to get the butter snaps. They don't taste very good. I've tried them. It's not good. Just get the normal one that I showed you. So anyways, so this is what your pan will look like right before the oven. And what we want to do is you want to put the oven at 160 degrees for 7 minutes, and it could be the top rack. I'll show you what they look like when they get done. And what it's going to do is it's just going to make them nice and kind of soft so that you can put your M&Ms on there. Okay, so I will come back right after the oven. Alright, here's what they look like after the oven. You want to go ahead and we're just going to stick some M&Ms on here. You want to work a little fast. This would not be when you'd want to, make a phone call or fiddle fart around or whatever. I like to stick 2 colors on each, trying not to do the same 2 colors. Ultimately, you're going to eat them. It truly doesn't matter. Sometimes when I have Bronco parties, I'll just do the Bronco colors. And because I'm filming this, it makes it a little crazy. I would normally use 2 hands. I have my M&Ms ready in a little bowl. Sometimes I'll do double duty. I'll have 2 bowls on each side of my pan and I just start jamming. When we're done with this process right here, you're going to want to put them in the refrigerator. I would say, I don't know, maybe 10-15 minutes would do the trick. All it's doing is it's going to firm the hug, and it's just going to make it a little bit easier. They look really nice on a tray. They're great for parties. It is, oops, I forgot one. It is a perfect example of a sweet and salty snack. I make them all the time for my kids and for little events that I do. I hope that you had fun with this. So again, it's just the 3 ingredients that you see. Parchment paper, 160 degrees for 7 minutes. Make sure and wash your hands first. Thoroughly unwrap the hug so that you get the little foil and those little pieces of paper. You go ahead and put them on there, put them in the oven, and then go ahead and put your M&Ms on. Put them in the refrigerator. I will go ahead and show them to you at the very end after they've been in the fridge. But boy, they're just so much fun. And then to get them off the parchment paper, just a little spatula, but I can show you that as well. Okay, thanks. Hi, so I'm back, and these have been in the refrigerator for exactly 20 minutes. I set my timer. So these are what they look like after they've had a chance to just kind of harden a little bit and just settle. So I have a little spatula here, and I also have a tool that you can, what do I want to say? Frost cakes with, whatever. And I also have a butter knife. So just in case one gets stuck, let's just try it. I think we can go ahead and just pick them up. Actually, they're coming up pretty good. So let's just do that, but then for simplicity, this is just a little quicker. So I'm just putting them in this cute little bowl I have. So like I said, I do these a lot for birthday parties, Bronco parties. You can put them in little baggies and send them in a little treat for maybe a picnic lunch, whatever it may be. Sometimes, if my kids are home, they never really make it onto a bowl. They eat them right off the pan, and they're always usually gone. So, that is a finished hug, you guys. They're very good. They're kind of fun. They have a little bit of sweet and salty because you got your salt from the pretzel and then your sweet. I hope this was fun. Remember, those are the 3 ingredients. Just have a great time. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. I hope that when you try them, they turn out fantastic. And I just really appreciate it. So, hope to see a lot of you soon.